Alright, not bad. Kitty cats. Mochi bear. Ooh. There it is. Bang, and my key. Probably shut this up. Put that in there. Go ahead and grab this. So we got things to do. Alright. This is my 2002 S10 Xtreme. And right now the problem is this little guy. The clutch isn't kicking in. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and replace the compressor. Alright, bolts right here. Bolts right there. Got a couple bolts up front. One more over there. But first, obviously I gotta take off the belt from the compressor pulley. Let's go ahead and do that. Pretty sure it's down there. Is it that guy right there? But I think it's down there on the bottom. I'll probably have to hit it from the bottom. Alright, no problem. Just go ahead and get my thing to go down. It goes out there. It's just mochi. Alright. So I went ahead and found the pulley that you need to pull on right there. If you see that entrance, just gotta put in, I don't know what size that is, but you just gotta put the wrench in and just pull. Should come out. That one worked. We'll grab our trusty little guy. That'll surely work. 1000%. Alright. Take the nut out. Okay. It's not that long. Not bad. Take this guy out. Look at that. Comes in one piece. Pretty straightforward. Now let me grab the light. It's not doing much justice right here. Oh fuck. GoPro. See, it has two bolts over there, and it's got one down there, and you can probably bet there's another one on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack these guys first, see what they are relatively. So they look like a 15. They're probably a 15. This is a 14. Let's see if it works. No. And this one's a 15. No way. Okay, I was about to say, that's for sure they're gonna be a 15. And they are not that long. Pretty quick to screw. Is that a word? But unscrew. Alright. Okay. These guys are not 14. They seem to be, oh, don't fall. It might be 14s. Oh, whoa. It's not even on. A little booger messing with our lights. Okay, so this guy wasn't even on. Just nuts. Move the pulley out the way a bit. It is a really long screw though. Jeez. There we go. Alright, there's one. Now let's see if we can find the other one. There it is. That's our boy right there. And let's go ahead and disconnect this switch. It's just simple. Just press on the 2 tabs on the edge and pull. There we go. Simple enough. Now it's getting really dark. And there's mosquitoes. But this will be really quick. I think this is the job for our wrench. There it is. Thank God I'm not timing it. That's not even connected to anywhere. What the hell? It's ready to come out. There it is. Ooh, don't fall. Now get a better look at our plugs. Still doing fine. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get the new compressor and just install it. I'll be back with that. Alright guys, got my dog Mochi over there. I got the new compressor. And go ahead and open it. Up. Yep. Oh shit. Ta-da! This is our new our AC compressor. Let's put it up against the old one. I don't have a really good spot for this, do I? Maybe up here. There we go. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, I'm happy with that lighting. Let's go ahead and see. You can see the old one. Old one has these. So I gotta screw into these, which, look at this one, has the holes. And when you unplug it, make sure you already have it installed, because I think the oil comes out from these. And make sure you have a pre-filled oil one like this one. They sell them pretty cheap already, so you don't have to add oil yourself. And I got the switch right here. Make sure it don't fall. I mean, I'm gonna just go ahead and drop this in, and then let's go use this bolt, get a better look at it. Sure. Alright. And this is how the things go in my expertise. I'm an expert for getting everything, how it goes. It's one of my most unknowledgeable skill that I have. Not that I should probably share it with anybody, especially employers, but I do tend to forget about a lot of things. Should clean it off with the freaking wire brush because it looks awful. Don't we have a wire brush over here? Yes, we do. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see how we're gonna put this in. I think we need to go on the side and then calculate the hole, the circumference of the hole. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy installed. Ouch. Ooh. As you know, I probably don't. Let me go ahead and get the light over here. Over here. Now, if you don't know or do know, don't have the bolts anymore. But now we have to unscrew this bolt, which should be same as before. A 14 or 13, I don't remember which one it was. I believe it was a 14. Yep. Oh, grab the same one. It's 14. Oops, wrong way. Yep. I think we might be able to use the same bolt, honestly. Nothing coming out. A little came out. Not much. Alright, perfect. Awesome, awesome. Now we just fit these guys in the back. Oh, come on. We did it before. Should be able to do it now. There we go. Just fit them in the hole. I think we do need this bolt. The other one seems a little too short. Right, there we go. I'll probably pick this up another day because now I have to buy a battery for this car and then put the serpentine belt on, and then it should be rock and rolling.